Good morning, yogis! This is day 7, last day of 5-minute morning yoga challenge. And it's a standing practice again. So place your feet a little bit wider than your hips so that you have a stable base. Stand nice and tall. Start moving your head in circles. 3 circles to one side. And switch direction, 3 more circles into another direction. Bring your head back to center. Start making circles with your shoulders in one direction. And then switch direction, few more circles. And release. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, twist to the left. Try to keep your hips looking forward. Inhale to center. Exhale to the right, twisting from above the navel. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Just a few more. Keep moving with your breath. And then release your arms. Interlace your fingers so that the palms face away from your body. Take a big inhale, lift up the chest, slightly lean back for back bend. With exhale, bend forward halfway up, torso parallel to the mat. Long, straight spine. Inhale, lift the upper body, gentle back bend. Exhale, bend forward, upper body parallel to the mat. Inhale, back bend. Exhale, half forward bend. Keep moving in your own pace. And with your next exhale, bend forward, hug your elbows, you can bend your knees as well. Rock your upper body side to side, releasing the back. Maybe rock back and forward. You can shake your head, yes, no. With inhale, slowly roll up to standing. Now cross your right leg behind your left leg. Slightly bend the left leg. Interlace your fingers, palms facing up to the ceiling. And bend to the left for big stretch on the right side of the body. Come back to center and switch sides. Cross left leg behind the right leg. Bend the right leg. Reach the hands up and bend to the right for a stretch on the left side of the body. Come up back to center. And we will finish up this practice and this challenge with the yoga squat malasana. Feet wide, sit into the squat, palms together in front of your chest, and try to open your knees wider with your elbows. Keep breathing deeply in and out through the nose. This is one of my favorite poses to do in the morning. Maybe you noticed it because we did it a couple of times throughout this challenge. And slowly release, come up to standing. I really hope that you enjoyed this challenge. Let me know in the comments if you did, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!